Hi guys, today I'm gonna share with you how I make the ginseng chicken soup inspired by one of the Korean dish. First start with soaking rice, half cup of rice in water for 1 hour, and also soak the dry ginseng for 1 hour. I use the dry ginseng instead of the fresh one because I already have the dry ginseng. But originally they use the fresh ginseng. For the big chicken, you can use like 2 fresh ginseng. Here I also have like 8 jujubes, and if you like mushroom MAlinee, you can also add mushroom in your ingredients. Here I got like the big chicken from Costco. It come in like 1 pack come in 2 big chicken. So this chicken around like 5 pounds. You have to clean it first, take out all of the gut inside, and get ready for the stuffing. Here you can see the wings. Some people don't like the wing, you can cut it off. You don't like them, but I don't care, so I'm gonna leave them just like that. Then I stuffed everything: the rice, the ginseng, the jujube, and also the mushroom that I already soaked for 1 hour in the chicken. Add 8 cups of water. I used the toothpick to skewer the chicken bath to make sure that the rice won't come out. And then I use medium-high heat to cook it for 2 hours and then cover it. And this I use the Le Creuset 7.25 quart pot to boil it. After 15 minutes it's boiling, so I reduce the heat to like medium to low heat, and then broil it until everything is cooked. While we're waiting for the chicken to cook, we're gonna make the sauce. I use Kikkoman soy sauce. 2 tablespoons. Add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I use apple cider vinegar. You can use any regular vinegar too. The salt is really like forgiving. It depends on how you like. If you like it more sour, then you can put more. I add honey, 1 tablespoon. You can use just white sugar, but I think honey give like a bit more taste and good aroma. And then mix it well. Put the chopped onion and then mix well. And if you want more spicy, then you can put jalapeno or like chili to add a little kick. Next sauce is very simple. Basically, it's the combination of salt, pepper, crushed sesame, and sesame oil. Here we go, very simple. Check out the chicken. Now it's fully cooked and it smells so good. Rice already cooked and the chopstick already split out because the rice expand, but that's okay. So we're gonna take out the chicken from the pot, move it to another container, and you can see that the soup is clear and it's so aromatic. But I haven't put any seasoning, no salt or anything, so we're gonna taste it just like that. Okay, let's taste it. First, just taste the chicken itself. The chicken is so juicy and so soft. It's not dry at all. It's so good. Then the soup's so yummy. It's a good broth. Very rich. I love that. Let's try the rice. Oh my gosh, The rice is so rich and flavorful. It's like Hainan chicken rice. Very, very good. And with the sauce, it's even tastier because it gives you a little bit of sour. And I put some chili in there, so a little bit spicy. It's so good. This dish is very, very simple. You're gonna try it. And if you like this video, please give me the support by subscribe, share, and like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
น้ำซุปก็อร่อยจริงๆนิ้มก็ไม่ได้ใส่อะไรเลยแต่ว่ามันเข้มข้นชิมข้าวเฉยๆก่อนนะข้าวก็อร่อยดีเหมือนกินข้าวมันไก่อ่ะมันจะมันๆหอมๆไก่นิดนึง